slope of a line joining 2 points is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. If a is equal to minus 1, b is also minus 1 because b is equal to a. This is what the equation of a line which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Equation of a line which is parallel to the x-axis is given by the y is equal to k or y is equal to a. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In the last session, what we have learned? We have learned so many formulae. That means, what do you mean by slope point form, 2-point form, and then slope intercept form, and then intercept form. Also, we have learned what is the slope or gradient of a line, and also what is the equation of a slope of a line joining 2 points. Isn't it? All that formula you need to remember, and in today's session of a straight line, which is chapter number 17 in your NCERT, and here you are having session number 3. So what are the topics you are going to study under this session is nothing but you are going to have it as a problems on standard forms of equations of a straight line. So what are the standard forms? You need to remember slope point form. First, you know that slope of a line is given by m is equal to tan theta. This is a slope of a line if theta is given. And slope of a line joining 2 points is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is slope of a line joining 2 points. And then you know that a standard forms of a equation of a line is first a slope point form. Slope point form is given by the formula m into x minus x1 is equal to y minus y1. 2-point form is given by the formula 2-point form y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Similarly, slope intercept form is given by y is equal to mx plus c, where c is called the y-intercept. Intercept form is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a is called the x-intercept, b is called the y-intercept. Equation of a line which is parallel to the x-axis is given by the y is equal to k or y is equal to a. So equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis is y is equal to k or a or b. If it is plus or minus k, you can write it as y, because plus k right side of the origin, minus k left side of the origin. Similarly, you can have equation of a line, equation of a line parallel to y-axis is given by is x is equal to plus or minus h plus or minus k plus or minus a plus or minus b, where plus a or h or b is nothing but the above origin. X is equal to minus a minus b is nothing but below the origin. So these are all the formulae you need to remember to solve the problems. Now we'll move on solving the problems. What is the first problem they have given here? 3 marker. Find the equation of a line which passes through 5, 2 and cutting off the intercepts which are equal in the magnitude but opposites in sign. So equal in the magnitude in opposites in sign is nothing but you are having intercept form only. What is the intercept form? According to the given, which is opposite sign, which is having the equal magnitude, means A will be equal to B only, or B will be equal to A. Opposite sign means it will be 0 comma A and then minus A comma 0 you are going to have it as. So according to the given, by given data, let A of A comma 0 and B of 0 comma minus A, because they have given same magnitude but opposite in sign. This is important. Same magnitude will be A only. I have taken B is equal to A here, 0 comma B. B is equal to A. Opposite sign means if here A, it will be here minus A. Understood? Be the points cutting of the intercept. Cutting the x-intercept, cutting both the axes. Cutting axis. Axis means it is a plural form. Axis means singular form. Axis, x and y axes. Are you getting? So here they have given passes through 5 comma 2. So given passes through 5 comma 2, which you can consider as x comma y. So therefore, by intercept form, what is the intercept form is given by? By intercept form, x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Now x comma y they have given it as 5 comma 2 and B it is nothing but minus A. Therefore, by substituting the form, so you can substitute here x divided by A plus y divided by minus A, as well as substituting the xy value, which will be x is nothing but 5 divided by A plus y is nothing but 2 divided by minus A, which is equal to 1. You can cross multiply here. You can take it as A will be the LCM, therefore, which implies minus 5A plus 2A divided by A, which will be 1. So which is A squared, you can take it as LCM if you cross multiplying. So therefore minus 5A plus 2A is nothing but minus 3A is equal to A squared. A will get cancelled. So A will be having a value minus 3. If A is equal to minus 3, you can consider B is equal to minus A means which is plus 3, right? So if A is equal to minus 3, B is nothing but minus A, which is B will be is equal to minus of minus 3, which is plus 3. So therefore, you can substitute in the equation, which is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1, because they have asked you to find the equation. Equation means you have to reduce to the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, substituting here x divided by A value you have found out minus 3 plus B value is nothing but plus 3, which will be is equals to 1. So you can take it as here 3 is the LCM, which is x minus y is equal to 1, otherwise x minus y is equal to 3. This is your equation. Otherwise, you can have x minus y, which implies x minus y minus 3 equal to 0, which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. I hope you got this one. We'll move on to the next question, dears. Find the equation of a straight line which passes through the point 3, 4 and have intercept on the axes such that their sum is 14. So intercepts on the axes means what? And their sum is 14 means what? X-intercept is A, Y-intercept is B. Sum means addition of that one. So by data, X-intercept is A, Y-intercept is B. A plus B, their sum is equal to 14, right? And then given x comma y passes through the point is nothing but 3, 4. X is 3, y is 4. Now you can have by intercept form. What is the intercept form? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So x they have given it as, see, you can convert either in terms of A or in terms of B. See, from this you can convert B will be equal to A to coming to this side 14 minus A. Taking to that side 14 minus a. Therefore, in place of b, I can substitute 14 minus a. X is 3. So, 3 divided by a plus y is 4 divided by 14 minus a is equal to 1. Further simplification, you can take the LCM as a into 14 minus a. So, here 14 3s are, which is 42, minus 3 into a is 3a. Again 4 into a is plus 4a, because you are having plus sign, which will be is equal to 1. Now you can cross multiply this. 42 minus 3a plus 4a is nothing but 42. So minus 3a plus 4a is plus a is equal to a into 14 minus a. Right? Now you can 42 plus a is equal to 14a. A into a is minus into plus is minus a square. You can bring all the terms to this side. It will become a squared minus 14a plus a, because you are having plus a, plus 42 is equal to 0. Now a squared minus 14a plus a is minus 13a plus 42 equal to 0. Now if you add or subtract, you should get 13. You know already 7 6 are 42, minus 7 minus 6 is minus 13. Therefore, you can have a squared minus 6 7s are 6a minus 7a plus 42 equal to 0. So, a into a minus 6 minus 7 into a minus 6. Because minus 7 into a is minus 7a, minus 7 into 6 is minus 7 6 are 42, which will be equal to 0. You can take a minus 6 common. So, a minus 6 into a minus 7 equal to 0. Otherwise, a minus 6 equal to 0, a minus 7 equal to 0, which will be giving you the value a is equal to 6 and a is equal to 7. So, when a is equal to 6, what about b? B is 14 minus a. 14 minus 6 is 8. So, therefore, b will become 8. So, what about the equation? Equation substitute x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, which is x divided by a is 6, y divided by b is 8 is equal to 1. Now, you can take the LCM here, which is 8x plus 6y divided by 8 6 are 48 is equal to 1. Otherwise, 8x plus 6y is equal to 48. You can divide throughout by 2, which will be 4x plus here 3y is equal to 2 2s are 2 4s are. Right? Otherwise, you can have 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. This is one equation. When a is equal to 6, b is equal to 8. But I have got a minus 7 equal to 0. So, both the value will be having two equations. Therefore, when a is equal to 7, b is 14 minus 7 is 7. So, therefore, you can have x by a, same equation I can substitute, x divided by 7 plus y divided by 7 equal to 1. 7 is the LCM. X plus y is equal to 1. Otherwise, x plus y is equal to 7. This is another equation. Therefore, you are getting two equations for this. One is 4x plus 3y equal to 24. Another one is x plus y is equal to 7. I hope you got this problem, how to solve. We'll move on to the next problem, dears. If a straight line cuts coordinate axis at A and B, if 3, 2 is the midpoint of AB, find the equation of AB. So here, if the straight line cuts the axis at A and B means intercept form only. Axis at A and B means this is a distance of A units and this is a distance of B units. So here I can take it as a comma 0 because y coordinate is 0. Here I can take it as 0 comma b. Right? And 3 comma 2 is a midpoint of that too. What is the midpoint of that? 3 comma 2 they have given. Midpoint formula is given by what? So therefore, midpoint of AB is equal to 3, 2 given. So midpoint of AB is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. What is x1 plus x2? 0 plus a by 2, comma b plus 0 by 2 is equal to 3, 2. So therefore, 0 plus a is a by 2. You can equate it to 3 directly, and b by 2 you can equate it to directly 2. So a by 2 is equal to 3 means a will be is equal to 2 3s are 6, and b by 2 is equal to 2 means b will be is equal to 2 2s are 4. Now a takes the value 6 and b takes the value 4. What is the intercept form is given by? By intercept form, because cutting the intercept there, we have x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X divided by, just now we have found out a value is 6 plus y divided by b value is 4, which will be 1. You can take the LCM, which is 24. So 4x plus 6y is equals to 1. So 4x plus 6y is equal to 24. Now you can divide throughout by 2, which will be getting the answer 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Otherwise, 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. This is what the equation of a line, which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. I hope you got this one, how to solve. We'll move on to the next problem, dears. What there was the next problem, dears? A line passes through 3, 4 and a portion of a line between the axes is divided at a point. At that point in the ratio 1:2, find the equation. So they have given this passes through 3, 4 and portion of that line is divided at the point as 1:2 in the ratio. Therefore, what is the formula is given by? You can take this one as given a line passes through the point, 3, 4, which is nothing but x, y. And then that point divide in the ratio 1:2. Between the axis means A is to B, isn't it? So given A is to B is equal to 1:2. Otherwise, A by B is equal to 1/2. You can cross multiply, which implies B will be is equal to 2A. Now, you can have intercept form is given by, what is the intercept form? By intercept form, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Substituting x as 3 divided by 3 as x and a as it is, we are having plus y as nothing but 4 divided by b is nothing but 2a is equal to 1. Now taking the LCM, 3 into 2a, which is nothing but 3 2s are 6a. So a into 2a is 2a squared. 3 2s are 6a plus 4a is equal to 1. By solving again, 6a plus 4a is 10a is equal to 2a squared, cross multiplying that 2a squared into 1 is 2a squared only. A will get cancelled. So therefore, 2a will be is equal to 10 or a will be is equal to 10/2, which is nothing but 5. If a is equal to 5, we know that b is equal to 2a. So b will be is equal to 2 into 5, which is nothing but 10. Now you can substitute back to the equation of the intercept form. You can get the equation as x divided by a is 5 plus y divided by b is 10 is equal to 1. Now by taking the LCM is nothing but 10. Now 5 2s are 10, 2x plus y is equal to 1. Now you can solve this by again 2x plus y is equal to 10, or you can write 2x plus y minus 10 equal to 0, which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A takes the value 2, b will be 1 and c will be minus 10. I hope you got this one, how to solve. We'll move on to the next question, dears. What they have given? Find the equation of the line whose x and y intercept are equal and passes through 2, minus 3. They have given x and y intercepts are equal. Are equal means a is equal to b, x intercept is a, y intercept is b. So by data, a is equal to b or b is equal to a and passes through what passes through? Line passes through a point 2, minus 3, which they have given x, y. So we know that intercept form is given by intercept form is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X is nothing but 2 divided by a as it is. I am taking here b is equal to a. Y they have given minus 3 divided by a is equal to 1. By solving again this, a will be the LCM. So a here 2 minus 3 is equal to 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by a is equal to 1. Cross multiplying, a is equal to minus 1. If a is equal to minus 1, b is also minus 1 because b is equal to a. Therefore, you are getting b is equal to minus 1 only. Now, substituting back to the equation, you are having x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, which is the intercept form. Now, x divided by a value is, what is that? Minus 1 plus y divided by b value is minus 1, which is equal to 1. Minus 1 will be the LCM. X plus y divided by minus 1 is equal to 1. Otherwise, x plus y is equal to minus 1, or x plus y minus 1 taking to this side, which is plus 1 equal to 0. Now, which is the equation? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A taking the value 1, b is 1 and c is also 1. I hope you got this one. How to solve the problem? We'll move on to the next problem. The intercept of a straight line on the x and y axis are in the ratio 2:1 and it bisects the joining the points of 3 and minus 4 and 5, 2. Find the equation of a straight line. Now here they have given the intercept of a straight line on the x and y axis are in the ratio 2:1. So here you can take it as, and line joining the points, see it bisects line joining the point means you can have it as a midpoint form, isn't it? So midpoint form of these two, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. What they have given as by data x and y axis intercept in the ratio 2:1. So a is to b is equal to 2:1. Otherwise, a by b is equal to 2 by 1. Otherwise, you can take it as, which implies cross multiplying, a will be is equal to 2b. Now, keep as it is and passes through. Therefore, bisects the point of the line joining 3, minus 4 and therefore midpoint of 3, minus 4 and 5, 2 implies 3 plus 5 divided by 2, minus 4 plus 2 divided by 2, which will be 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4 you are having, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1, which is nothing but x, y. Correct? Which passes through this point only. Now you can take by intercept form. We know that intercept form is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X is nothing but 4 divided by a as it is, plus y is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 divided by b is nothing but here A is 2b, you can take it as, so 2b minus 1 divided by b is equal to 1. You can have by cross multiplication, which will be is equal to b into 4b, which is here 2b squared, b into 4b minus 2b is equal to 1. 4b minus 2b is nothing but 2b is equal to 2b squared. bb will get cancelled. So 2 also get cancelled. b will be is equal to 1. Now if b is equal to 1, since we know that a is equal to 2b, a will be is equal to 2 into 1, which is 2. So a value you are having it as 2. Now substitute back to the equation. You can get the equation of a straight line will be equal to x divided by a is 2 plus y divided by b is 1 is equal to 1. You can take the LCM is nothing but 2. So therefore, you can have 2x plus 2y is equal to 1. Otherwise, x plus 2y is equal to 2. Otherwise, x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0, which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a value 1, b value 2 and c value minus 2. I hope you got this one, how to solve. So these are all the problems you are solving based on the intercept form only, isn't it? So which will be asked for a 3 marker. So in the next session, we'll be moving on to a standard forms of reduction of the line to a intercept as well as slope intercept form. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.